Hi, I'm Dr. Scott Powell with Florida E.N.T and Allergy. We're very proud to be members of the greater Tampa Bay community, providing the best ear, nose, and throat and allergy care. Please call today, feel better tomorrow, be active, be well.
Now is the time to be active, be well, and take in this beautiful place we all call home while we're at it. The Courtney Campbell Trail is one of the coolest places to bike ride in all of Tampa Bay, so I'm grabbing my bike, a friend, let's check it out.
In Tampa, we have a lot of great trails that are right next to the ocean, which is really nice. We're also working on adding more trails, so it's nice to have the diversity of places you can go and then places that you can go year-round as well. I mean, in Tampa, we're very fortunate that we have beautiful weather year-round, but especially in the winter months, because just about every day is perfect and sunny and nice, and even when it's cold, it's not that cold, so you can still do stuff outside and enjoy it. So, we're very fortunate, and it's something I'd encourage people to take advantage of when they have the opportunity.
Check out this view from the top, and I got to see a dolphin, which never gets old.
One of the drawbacks of being in the Tampa Bay area, everything's pretty flat, but this trail actually has a bridge on it, so it does give you some chances to do some elevation, and then obviously anytime you can do anything by the water is always a plus. I love being by the water. I've biked here and had dolphins swimming alongside me, and then there's a lot of other people out here who are being active as well, so there's a good sense of community with the Tampa Bay area of people who are kind of out and like-minded and interested in staying healthy and fit. If you're interested in biking and you want to kind of learn more about it and get yourself set up, I think finding a good bike shop is one of the most important things, because there are certain things that you do want to know if you're going to go on a bike ride, such as how to change a flat tire if you get that. So kind of finding someone, they usually do different courses to kind of give you the ins and outs of the basics for maintaining and caring for your bike. And I think that's really beneficial for people to do if they're going to try and pick up this as a new hobby. Staying active makes you feel better, helps you think while you're doing things, and will just kind of improve your overall health and well-being. So it's a fun activity that's good for you in the long run as well.